Hello students, this is Ram Saurav, your maths faculty, and I welcome you everyone to Turito live classes children. Children, today I are going to start the new chapter. The chapter name is what? A linear equation in two variables. Okay children, it is one of the chapter in the class 10 and it's a very important chapter children. So what we are going to discuss in this chapter, so let us say one by one children, okay? Children, today's session I am going to discuss about introduction of what? A linear equation in one variable. Children, first we are going to learn what is a linear equation in one variable, okay? So linear equation one variable, that is the first thing we are going to learn here. After that, the solution of the linear equation one variable. So how many solutions a linear equation has? Otherwise, how to find the solution of the equation? Where the linear equation has one variable, in that case, how we can find the solution of for a linear equation in one variable? That is the first thing. Next one children, introduction of what? A linear equation in two variables. So once the linear equation one variable done, so we'll go for what? A linear equation in two variables, okay? That is the third point. Next point is what children? Solution of linear equation in two variables. So how we are going to find the solutions of what? A linear equation in two variables. So one variable, what is the introduction of linear equation one variable? Next, how to find the solution of one variable? Then introduction of what? A linear equation in two variables. Then how we can find the solutions of linear equation in two variables. So that is our today's session children, okay? These 4 points we are going to discuss today. And some questions, okay? Anyhow, we are going to discuss some example questions also. That is not an issue. Now children, let us start the class. Now children, can you tell me what is the linear equation in one variable? First tell me what is the meaning of linear equation. Linear means what children? So when we can say an expression or equation is a linear, tell me children, any idea? So when I can say, suppose I am writing one expression children, x plus 3 or x square plus 4 or x plus 4, sorry, x to the power of 4 plus 7, or something I am writing is what? Something x to the power of 6 minus 9, x to the power of 10, something minus 12, isn't it children? So I wrote some expression children. From this expression, can you identify what is the linear expression? So which one is called generally linear expression children? So how we are going to identify? So do we have any condition? Tell me children. So how we are going to identify? So very simple children. Linear nothing but what? The degree is equal to 1, isn't it? If the degree of the polynomial expression has 1, so we can call it what? A linear expression, isn't it? Here degree is equal to what? 1. Here degree is equal to 2. Here degree is equal to 4. This is 6 and this is 10. So these are not called what? A linear polynomial. So I can say the first one, x plus 3, I can say what? It's a linear expression, isn't it? Because it has the highest exponent value is 3. Sorry, highest exponent value is what? 1. So 1 means it is called what? A linear expression, or we can say a linear polynomial, isn't it? So that is the what? Definition of what? A linear. But children, can you tell me what is a linear equation? Here equation means what children? How we can say the given expression, how we can say the given polynomial expression or polynomial equation? How we can identify? See, I am writing something x plus 4. Or I am writing something x plus 4 equal to 0. Can you tell me children what is the difference of these two? What is this x plus 4 expression and what is this x plus 4 is equal to 0 expression? So do they have any difference children? Suppose if they have any difference, can you tell me what is the difference? Children, the first one is called expression. It is not called equation children. So it is called what? Expression. So the first one we can say it is expression, and second one we can say it is a equation. Okay children, equation nothing but it has the equal symbol and where it is balancing the two expression. So this is called what? LHS expression, it is called RHS expression. So both are what? Balancing with the help of what? Equality sign, isn't it children? So this type of expressions are called what? Equations. Here expression means we have only simply like x plus 4. That's it. There is no equality and there is no something children. So we can say directly x plus 4 is a what? Is an expression because it does not contain an equal symbol. If it has any equal symbol, then I can say what children? It is an equation. So equation means what, children? We are combining, otherwise we are adding, we are joining LHS part and RHS part together with help of what? An equal symbol. So in that case, what we can say, children? It is equation. Are you getting my point, children? Equation means what? We are joining the two expressions with the help of the what? Equality symbol. So in that case, we can say that is equation. Okay, children? Fine. But a linear equation in one variable. Here, what is the meaning of one variable, children? So one variable means what? The equation contains a single variable. So you will give an example. Suppose a 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Or you can take 2x minus 3 equal to 0. You can write any example, children. You can write something a 10x minus 3 equal to 0. You can write something 12x minus 4 equal to 0, isn't it? These are all what we can say, children, a linear equation in one variable, isn't it? So this is a what? A linear equation, one variable, linear equation, one variable, one variable and one variable, because it contains a single variable only. So those things we can call, children, linear equation in one variable only. Okay. So this is a what? Example of a linear equation. Children, let us say what is the definition. A linear equation in one variable is an equation, first of all. It is the equation which has maximum of how many variables, children? It is only one variable. It cannot be has a more than more than one variable. It can have maximum. Maximum means what, children? That is the highest one. So maximum it can has only a one variable, and the degree is what, children? Here degree is 1. So it can have the variable is what? A variable is 1. So number of maximum variables are 1 and the degree also 1. So both should satisfy, children. The degree also 1 and the number of variables also 1. Then only we can say what? A linear equation in one variable. Isn't it, children? Next point. Children, look at the example. 3x is equal to 1. I can say it is a linear equation in one variable. 22x minus 1 and 4x plus 9 is equal to what? A minus 11. So these are the what, children? We can say these are the a linear equation in one variable. See, it has a variable is what? X. So it is a single variable. Next one is what, children? The exponent value of the variable is equal to 1. So I can say it is a linear. So we can say it is a linear equation in one variable. Clear, children, this point? Are any doubts? Okay, fine. Next one, children. Standard form. The standard form of the linear equation one variable is what? Here ax plus b is equal to 0, children. Okay. The standard form of the linear equation one variable we can write as ax plus b equal to 0. Children, remember this. It is standard form of the what? A linear equation in one variable. Here one more condition, children. Here a should not be equal to 0 and a comma b belongs to what? A real number. Are you getting my point, children? Here a should be what? A non-zero number, because if I take a is equal to 0, so this term will be vanished. Understood? If this term is vanished, I mean there is no variable. The variable is not present, so how we are going to call it is a linear equation? We cannot call, isn't it? So the condition is what? A should not be equal to 0 and both a and b are what? A real number. Okay, children, so that is the condition. Okay. Now, so this formula, what we call, children, this is actually a linear equation one variable formula. Okay. So ax plus b is equal to 0. Now how to find, children, the solution of linear equation one variable? First tell me, children, here what is the solution? Solution means what? Generally whenever they are asking the question, find the solution means what we exactly find, children? In some question, find the solution of this equation. So what do you find generally? Tell me, children, what you will find? Suppose I am taking one equation, a 2x minus 1 equal to 0. They are asking find the equation. Otherwise solve the equation. Otherwise find the solution of this equation. So what do you do generally? You will find the what? The value of the variable, isn't it? So value of the variable means what here? The value is what here? Sorry, variable is what here? X. So you are finding the what? The value of variable, isn't it, children? You are finding the what? The value of the variable. So that is called here the solution of variable. So this is what? A 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So I can write this is what? A 2x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to, I can write as a 1 by 2. Are you getting my point, children? So here x is equal to 1 by 2, what we call, children? It is a solution. So this we can call what? The solution of a linear equation in one variable. Make clear, children, this point. Here x is equal to what? I got 1 by 2. First of all, I am finding the what? The value of the variable. So the value of the variable is what? 1 by 2, children. So x is equal to what? It is 1 by 2. So this x value, we can say it is a solution of the linear equation in one variable, isn't it? So I can say the x is a what? A solution. So generally, what is a solution means, children? How we can define the solution means? Listen here. Here we need to find the what? The value of the variable. What we'll find? We find the what? The value of the variable where it satisfies the LHS and RHS of the equation. I'll give an example, children. Suppose I am writing x plus 3 is equal to 5, isn't it? I want to find the what? The value of the variable. That means, see, this part is called what, children? This is LHS part. And this complete part is called what? It is a RHS part, isn't it? For equality symbol, so the complete LHS, when left hand side part is called what? LHS part. For the equality symbol, the right side part, the complete right side part we can call what? RHS part. Okay. Now, children, I want to find the x value. So, x is equal to question mark. I want to find the what, children? X value. X is equal to what? Question mark. So, I want to find this x value so that the LHS and RHS both should be equal. Okay. I want to find the x value so that it should satisfy the LHS expression value and RHS expression value. So, both should be same, children. In that case, we can say x is equal to what? I can say it is a solution. Are you getting my point, children? Then I can say it is a what? A solution. Okay. In that case, I can say x is a what? A solution. Am I clear, children, this point? Okay, fine. Now, the value of the variable is called what, children? Here you can say the solution of the linear equation. So, after finding the value of the variable, so that is called what here? Solution. See, a variable means anything, children. You can take variables are what? Representation by small a to small z. You can find the value a, b, c, d, or x value, or y value, or z value. Anything. So, those values of variable generally we can call into what, children? The solution of what? The linear equation one variable. Okay. So, that is a like story of the solution, children. So, like what is the solution? How we are going to find solution? Okay. So, that is a thing. Next. Okay, children, one more point, children. If the degree of the linear equation is what? 1, isn't it? Because I told you already. Linear means what? The degree is 1. The degree is 1 nothing but we can call it as a linear equation. Okay. So, the degree of the linear equation 1 means, so it has how many solution? So, it has only one solution, children. It will satisfy only single solution because the degree is 1. The degree is 1 means we can say it is satisfy only a one solution. Okay, children. So, remember that point also, it is a very, very important point. A linear equation has a one solution. Why? Because the degree of the linear equation is 1. So, it satisfies only a single solution. And children, look at this question here. Solve the x plus 12 is equal to what? 23. So, what is the question, children? X plus 23, sorry, x plus 12 is equal to what? 23. Okay, listen. Fine. Children, listen here. I want to find the x value. X value means it is a solution, isn't it? So, how we can find the solution, children? We have exactly 3 methods. What are 3 methods, children? Do you remember anything? What are the 3 methods we already learned in the previous classes when you are 6th class or 7th class? The 3 methods are what, children? First method is what? Trial and error method, isn't it? Trial and error method means what we do generally, we'll just substitute the x values. Keep on with substitute the x values. In case if we get LHS value is equal to RHS value, so the particular value x is called what? Solution. That is the first method. And second method is balancing method. In the balancing method, what we do, children? We'll take some value, otherwise we add or both side, or subtract will both side, or addition, subtraction, or division, or multiplication. But it can be done on the both sides, children. That is called what? A balancing method. The last method is what? A transposing method. So, children, I'll go only transpose method. Okay. Now, what I am doing? Children, this 12 I am sending RHS side. So x is equal to what? A 23 minus 12. Then x is equal to 23 minus 12. What is the value? It is 11. So x is equal to what I got, children? Answer 11 is the answer. So I can say, therefore, x is equal to 11 is solution. Are you getting my point, children? So x is equal to 11 is called what? The solution of the equation. Okay? So x is equal to what? 11 is the what? Solution of this equation. So how many solutions I got, children, here? I got only single solution. Why? Because it is a linear equation. So linear equation means it has only single solution. Isn't it? So I got only a single solution. Clear, children? Are any doubts regarding this question? Okay. Next, children, let us start some more questions also. Solve 2x plus 13 is equal to 43, children. Again, same. I want to find the what? The value of x. Okay. Now let us see how we can find. So 2x plus 13 is equal to 43. Children, transpose 13 on RHS side because it is an LHS side. So 2x is equal to 43 minus 13 because on LHS side we want only variable, children. I don't want any constant term. So whatever we have the constant term or anything, so simply transpose RHS side. So that is called what? Transposing. We are sending. So it's called what? A transpose method. So this is what? A 2x is equal to 43 minus 13 is equal to what? A 30. Then x is equal to, we can write as 30 upon 2. Then x is equal to, we can say answer is 15. Clear, children? So this 15 is what, children? The solution of the equation 2x plus 13 is equal to 43, children. You may clear this point? 2x plus 13 is equal to 43. The solution of this equation is equal to how much? 15. Okay? Fine. Now, children, let us see another question. So this is the same type of question, but here we have the variables on both the sides, children, LHS side and RHS side. Now let us see, children, how we are going to solve this question. So 3x plus 45 equal to, we can say what? A 9x plus 25. Children, look at the LHS and RHS. In the both the side we have the variables, isn't it? So bring the variables are one side and take the what is that? Constants are another side, children. Okay. See here 3x and 9x both are what? A variable terms. And this 45 and 25 are what, children? Constant terms. So I am writing one side, children. 3x minus, sorry, this is what? 3x minus 9x. So transpose this will be a minus 9x. And this is what? A 25 minus a 45. Children, 3x minus 9x, what is the value? This is what? A minus 6x. 25 minus 45. 5 minus 5 0 and 4 minus 2 it is 2. So we can say it is negative 20. Children, here minus value cancel. So x I can write as, how we can write, children? X is equal to, tell me. X I can write as, tell me, children. 20 upon 6. So this is what? A 2 3s and it is what? A 2 10s. So x I can write as a 10 by 3. Okay. So x is equal to, we can write as what, children? A 10 upon 3. So here x is equal to 10 by 3. What we can say, children? It is a solution of the equation, isn't it? Solution means what? The value of the variable. So the value is what? Variable. Here variable is x. So what is the value of x here? 10 upon 3. So this 10 by 3 is called what? We can say the solution of this equation. Clear, children? This point, are any doubts? Okay. Now, children, linear equation in two variables now. So one variable already we done, children. Now let us go for two variables. So what is the linear equation two variable? So what is the standard form? And how to find the solutions of linear equation two variables? So let us see one by one, children. Now, children, linear equation two variable means same like one variable only. So linear means the degree is 1. Okay. So there one variable means we are taking the only single variable. You can take x or y, anything there. But here we have to take only two variables. Like examples, you can take a small example, children. X plus y is equal to 3. So can I say it is a linear equation first point? Yes, because here exponent value 1, here exponent value is 1. So I can say it is a linear equation. The first thing is clear. And second thing is what, children? Can I say it has two variable? Yes. Here x is a what? A variable term. Even y also it is a variable, isn't it? So I can say here two variables. Variable nothing but what? Unknown value. Here x is also unknown value, even y also unknown value. So I can say this is what we can say, children. This x plus y equal to 3 is a what? A linear equation in two variables. Are you getting my point, children? So this equation is called what? A linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now let us see, children, what is the definition of linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Children, remember this is very, very important. A equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And what are the ABC, children? A comma B comma C belongs to real number. This A, B, 3 are real numbers. That is second condition. One more condition is what, children? A and B both should not be what? Non-zero number. That means if we make square, A square plus B square is what? Not equal to 0. Children, can you tell me when it happens? A square plus B square is not equal to 0 means when A is not equal to 0 and B is not equal to 0, then only we can say A square plus B square is not equal to 0. Okay. So what is the intention of this condition? Means both should be what? A non-zero numbers. Are you getting my point, children? Both should be a non-zero numbers. Okay. So A or B both are what? A non-zero number. That is what? A square plus B square equal to what? Not equal to 0. So this is called what, children? A linear equation in two variables x and y. Here x is a variable and y is a variable. Here x is a coefficient of A. Sorry, x is a what? A coefficient of x, and b is a what, children? The coefficient of y. Clear, children, this point, or any doubts? Okay, so this type of equations we can call what? A linear equation, two variable. Children, look at the example. 10x plus 4y is equal to 3. Can I say the linear equation two variable, children? Yes, because x is a variable and y is a variable and exponent is 1. Minus x plus 5y is equal to 2. So I can say this also what? A linear equation two variable. Are you getting my point, children? So I can say this also what? Linear equation two variable. Okay. Now, children, let us say standard form of linear equation two variable. Okay. Now, children, let us say what is the solution now. For one variable, okay, it is easy to find a solution, children. But what about two variables? How we can find the solution? Here two variables mean, children, I'll tell you. Suppose I am taking one equation x plus y is equal to 3. Here we have to take the value of x and we have to find the value of y. So both we need to find, children. After finding the both x and y value, we have to substitute in the given equation so that my answer should get 3, children. Isn't it? We have to select the what? The value of x. I have to select the what? The value of y. Anything you can select. After selecting, substitute in the place of what? X plus y is equal to 3. In case if I get LHS part is equal to what? RHS part. Are you getting my point, children? LHS part is equal to RHS part. Then I can say it is what? A linear equation. Sorry, solution of what? A linear equation, two variables. So my question, children, so how many solutions a linear equation two variable has? Let us see now. A pair of values of the variable x and y which together satisfy, children, listen here, together means both values together satisfy each one of the equations is called what, children? A solution of linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now, children, listen here. I want to find the solution of this equation. So what is the given equation here? 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. So given equation is what? 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Here solution means we need to find the what? The pair of x and y values. I want to find the what? The pair of x comma y. It's a pair. Pair means what? Two values. We need to find the what is the value of x and we need to find what is the value of y. So this pair is called what? The solution of the linear equation two variable. Okay. But my question is how we are going to find this pair? That is the question. Tell me, children, how we are going to find this pair? Okay. So very simple, children, what I am doing. First, what is the given equation? 2x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Okay. Children, what I am doing? I am just LHS side. I am keeping only one variable, so everything I am sending RHS side. So what I am writing? I am writing here y is equal to. So minus 10 become it is plus 10, plus 2x become it is minus 2x. So I am writing is what? Y is equal to something. Are you getting my point, children? I am writing the complete equation as y is equal to something. After writing that, what I got, children? Y is equal to what? 10 minus 2x. Then children, select here x value. Anything is up to you because x is a what? A real number. Select x is any value, children. After that, find what is the y value. So that is called what? The pair of solution. Suppose I am taking x is equal to 0. I can take 0 also. It's up to me. Because x is a real number. You can go for any value. You can take positive value, negative value, rational, irrational. It's up to you, children. Okay. So here x is a what? Real number. So I am taking x is equal to simply 0. Now substitute, children. So y is equal to 10 minus 2 into 0. It is 0. So 10 minus 0. It is 10. So y is equal to how much, children? 10 is the answer. That means if I take x is 0, so y is equal to 10. So this 0 comma 10, what we call, children, it is a solution of the equation. Isn't it? It is 0 comma 10. So x is what? 0 and y is 10. So this pair 0 comma 10, what we call, it is a solution of the equation. Now I am taking x is equal to 1. So 2 ones are 2. So 10 minus 2, it is 8. So I can say 1 comma 8 is the one solution. Okay. So 10 minus 2, it is 8. Next one, children, I will take x is equal to something minus 1. So this is already minus, children. So minus minus plus. So 10 plus 2, it is 12. So y is equal to how much? This is 12. So I can say this is minus 1 comma 12. Next one, I will take x is equal to what? Something minus 2. So this is negative and this also negative. Negative, negative, positive, and 2 2s are 4. So 10 plus 4, it is 14. So you can write this is a 14. So what is the solution? This is what? A minus 2 and 14. Clear, children? So I can say these are all solutions of the what? A linear equation, two variables. Isn't it? Are you getting my point, children? How we can find the solutions? First of all, you write the given equation as y is equal to something. You can write x is equal to something also, not an issue. But generally we will write y is equal to something because we can consider as x is what? Independent variable and y is a dependent variable. See here y is what? Depends upon the x value. Yes or no, children? The y is what? Always depends upon the x value. X is a independent. Because of x, y is changing. So I am taking x is what? Independent value and y is a dependent value. So what I am writing, children? The complete equation I am writing y equal to something. So after writing y is equal to something, just select the x value. Anything, children. After selecting the x value, substitute in the given the equation and from that find the y value. So these are the values I got, children. I can say these are the solutions. Yes or no? Okay. Now, children, my question, how many solutions I can write for a single linear equation? One solution. Say for linear equation, one variable, we can write only a single solution, children. I told you clearly. But what about the linear equation, two variables? So how many solutions I can write? Tell me, children. So how many solutions I can make or I can find? Like how many like pairs of x and y? Like how many such values we can find for a single equation? That is the question. Tell me, children. How many solutions of like pair of x and y we can find for a single equation? Children, first of all, remember this. It is a what? A linear equation. Can you tell me, children, what is the shape of the linear equation? The shape of the linear equation is what? A straight line. Yes or no? The shape of the linear equation is what? It's always a straight line. The straight line means how many points it has, children? Can you tell me how many points a straight line has? So this is 1 point, 1 point, this is also 1 point. All these are 1 points. And straight lines are what can be, children, extended on the both the direction. We don't know what is the length of the straight line, isn't it? And straight line has infinitely points on it. Are you getting my point, children? The straight line has infinitely point on it. So it has infinitely points means if it is has infinitely points on it means, can you tell me, children, how many solutions it has? So it has infinitely many solutions. A linear equation has infinitely many solutions. You can write as many as children. You can find infinitely solutions. But linear equation one variable has single solution. But linear equation two variable has infinitely many solutions. Am I clear children this point or any doubts? A linear equation two variable has infinitely many solutions. Because it's a straight line. The shape of the line is what? It is straight line. Straight line is what? It can be extended on the both the direction. And straight line has infinitely points, isn't it? Therefore, it has infinitely many solutions. So, that is the important point children. Try to remember this point. Okay, fine. Children, let us see another question. Okay, summary. So, in this class children, what we have discussed? So, first we have discussed a linear equation in one variable. I told you already. So, what is the linear equation in one variable? So, what is the general form of the linear equation children? Like we can say standard form. So, that is ax plus b is equal to 0 and we can say a is what? A not equal to 0. Okay. So, that is the main condition for the linear equation one variable. Next to solution. Solution means what children? We have to select the what? We have to find the value of the variable, isn't it? The value of the variable. So, the value of the variable which satisfy LHS part and RHS part, both are equal children. So, then guys we can say it is a solution. Okay. So, that is called solution of the linear equation in one variable. Next point children, introduction of what? A linear equation in two variables. So, two variables means what is standard form children? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So, it is a linear equation in two variables. Are you getting my point children? So, this equation is called what? A linear equation in two variables. Next point, a solution of what? Linear equation in two variables. Solution of what? Linear equation in two variables. Like I told you already, the set of x comma y value, otherwise the pair of x comma y value which satisfy complete equation, isn't it? So, that is called what? The solution of linear equation, two variable. Next one. Okay, how many find, like how to find the children solution? I told you already. We have to write the equation as what? Y is equal to something. After writing y is equal to something and substitute the x value children and bring the what is the y value. Are you getting my point children? Substitute the x value and bring what is the y value. So, that is what? Solution of the linear equation two variable. And how many solutions we can find children for the linear equation two variable? We can find infinitely many solution. I told you this point. Why? Because it is a shape of the what? A straight line. Straight line has infinitely points. So, I can say the number of solutions are what? Infinitely and many. Okay. Okay, children, some questions we can see now. Now, children, look at this question here. If x is equal to a and y is equal to b, the solution of the linear equation is what? X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Then find the value of a and b children. Okay. See, x is equal to a. Next is what? Y is equal to b. It is a solution for what children? For this equation and this equation. Solution means what? It satisfies the LHS and RHS, isn't it? That is called solution. So, this x is equal to a and y is equal to b. I am substituting the first equation. So, we will get a plus b is equal to what? A 5. Take the equation as 1. And what is the second equation children? 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So, we can say 2a. In the x place write down a. And this is 3b and is equal to 4. So, take the equation as 2. Clear children? So, I got the two equation, a plus b is equal to 5 and 2a minus 3b is equal to 4. Now, tell me children, how we can find a and b value? Children, you do one thing, you can go for lot like answer to question or you can go question to answer also. Okay, otherwise you can try the options also. Here first option is what? 6 comma 1. So, you can take it is a value and b value. Substitute a is equal to what? 6 and b is equal to what? Minus 1. So, I got the 5. So, I can say first equation is satisfied. And the same way check for second equation also. So, a is equal to what? 6. So, 2 into 6 it is 12 minus 3 into. What is this value children? It is minus 1. So, this is 12. This is what? Plus 3. So, this is 15. So, LHS is not equal to RHS. So, it is satisfying only first equation and second equation is not satisfied. So, answer is wrong. Now, we will go for what children? Second one. What is second option, children? X is, sorry, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3. So this is 5, satisfied. And same thing, check for the what second equation. This is what? A 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So 4 minus 9, it is got minus 5, children. So not satisfied, fail. So second option also fail. We'll check the third option, children. Okay. What is the third option, children? 1 comma 4. So A is equal to what? 1 and B is equal to 4. So 1 plus 4, 5. Okay. First option is satisfied. Like for first equation, it is satisfied. And second equation, what, children? 1 plus. So 2 ones are, it is 2. 3 into 4, it is what? 12. So 2 minus 12 is what? It is minus 10. So minus 10 is not equal to 4. For second equation, it is not satisfied. So this is fail. Now, children, I will go for a last option. Okay. It is 19 by 5 and it is 6 by 5. So this is a 19 by 5 and this is what? A 6 by 5. So 19, see, denominators are equal. So we can directly add numerators. So this is a 25 and this is 5. So this is 5 ones are, 5 5s are. So this is answer is 5. So first option is, first equation, the option is satisfied. Let us do for the second one, children. 2 into A. So 2 into what? A 19 by 5 minus 3 into B value is what? A 6 by 5. And this is what? Equal to 4. So equal to 4 we need to find, children. I am not writing now. Okay. So what we can do, children? So 19 into 2, we can say it is 38. 16 3s are, it is 18 and divided by 5. 38 minus 18. What is the value, children? 20. So 20 by 5 is equal to 4. So I can say this is correct. Actually, children, this method is what? Answer to question. We have the question to answer also, but you need to know how to solve these equations. So for this, we have the 3 methods, children. So that methods we are going to discuss in the later classes. But now what I am doing, I am just going to what? Answer to question. Okay, answer to question means sometimes it is easy or sometimes it is difficult. Okay. If you are lucky enough, sometimes first option may satisfy, children. Otherwise, if first option is not satisfied, means you have to try all the option, then you have to check which is correct. Okay. Now, children, say let us second question. The graph of the equation x is equal to minus 2. Children, listen here. So this is what? A Cartesian plane. Children, do you know what is a Cartesian plane? You already learned in the previous class, in the 9th class, Cartesian plane or Cartesian system, isn't it? So we can say this horizontal line is called what? X-axis. So it is what? X and X dash. And this is, we can say, Y and Y dash. So it is called origin. Okay. So what is the actual equation of line, children? X is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 means this is what? 1, this is 2 and 3. This is minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 3. X is equal to minus 2 means this is the actual equation of line, children. So it passes through the what? X is equal to minus 2. So this is the equation of line, isn't it? Now children, look at this line. So this is actually what? Y axis and this is the equation of line. So can I say both are parallel, children? Yes or no? So this line is what? Parallel to Y axis and this line is what? Perpendicular to X axis. But actually what they are asking the question? Parallel to. So parallel to means what? It is Y axis, isn't it? The line is what? A parallel to Y axis. See, children, this is the equation of line x is equal to minus 2 and its equation is what? Y axis. So I can say both are what? Parallel to each other. Clear, children? Okay. Next one. Two equation in the two variables taken together are called what we call, children? We can say linear equations. Two equations, two variables, we can say linear equations. Okay. Next one. If in the equation x plus 2y is equal to 10, the y value is 6, and then what is the value of x? Children, look at the equation. What is the equation, children? X plus 2y is equal to what? 10. In that they clearly mention what is the y value. So y is equal to 6. If y value 6, they are asking what is the x value. How we can find children x value? It's a very simple. Substitute the y value in the given equation and find the x value, children. Okay. So what I am doing, I am substituting here. So y is equal to what? 6. So x plus 2 into 6 and is equal to 10. So x is equal to, this is 10. Children, 2 6 are 12. If I transpose RHS side, so it is minus 12. Then x is equal to 10 minus 12, we can say answer is minus 2. So which option is correct, children? The first option is correct. Okay. If the y value is 6, so what is asking x value? So x value is what? Minus 2 is the answer. It's a very simple, children. Just substitute the y value in the place of y, write down the 6 and do simplification and find the x value. That's it. Very simple. Next, the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y. Children, see here, it's a linear equation in 2 variable. So what is the graph, children? It is a vertical line, straight line, horizontal line, or none of this. So what is the answer, children? It is a straight line. Yes or no? First of all, it is straight line. So I can say answer is what? A straight line. Okay. The graph of the linear equation 2 variable always is straight line. But when it is vertical and horizontal means if it is only single variable. Okay. If it is single variable means the line can be vertical line or line can be horizontal line. But linear equation 2 variable means it is a horizontal line. Sorry, it is called a straight line. So it can be this direction, or it can be this direction, or it can be this direction, any one of the direction, children. But it can't be like a parallel to x-axis and parallel to y. So it always what? A slanting line, children. So it is called what? A straight line. Okay. Whether it is vertical or horizontal, that is secondary thing. That depends upon the what? The coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Next one. So what will be the solution of this equation? And same thing, children, go for what? Answer to question. Substitute the option and verify whether are you getting LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay, that's it, children. I am not doing anything here. See here, what is the first expression? Equation ax plus by equal to what? A minus b. And second one, bx minus ay is equal to what? A plus b. Children, look at the first option. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 means this is A. Y is equal to 2 means it is 2b. So this is A minus b. Children, do you think it is true? It is not true. So first option fail. Now children, go for second option. Children, look at here, even second option also not satisfied, children. So because we have the 2 here. 2 means you will get here 2a or 2b. But actually what we have RHS side, we have a minus b and a plus b. We don't have 2a minus b or we don't have like a minus 2b, isn't it, children? So better not to waste time. So first option, second option, third option also fail. Why? Because RHS side we have single a, single b. Just look at the question. So if you want to get the single a, single b means x should be, y should be, both are 1 and 1. Either maybe 1 and 1 or negative 1, positive 1, or both are negative. Any one of the possibilities have. But we cannot say any one should be like x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2, y is equal to, that is not possible. So directly I will go for this, children. In the fourth option I will check directly. Because in the RHS side what I have? Exactly A and B, single A and single B. So I will go for directly D option. So D option is what, children? X is 1 and y is minus 1. So x is what? 1 and y is minus 1. So 1 into A and this is what? B into minus 1. So this is A minus B. See, children, A minus B, both are same. And second option, Bx minus Ay. So B value 1 into B. A value also what? 1. So 1 into A. So B into, this is what? So x is what? 1 here. So write down this is B. And y is what? Minus 1. So write down minus of minus 1. So this is what? Again B plus A. See, children, RHS is correct. Are you getting my point, children? So what I can say, children? I can say only D option is correct. A option fail and B option fail and C option fail. So I can say only the fourth option is correct. Okay, children? Now, children, let us say another question. If x is equal to A and y is equal to B is the solution of the pair of equation x minus y equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 4. Then what is the value of a and b? Children, do one thing, just substitute the values. Okay. See here children, the difference should be 2 here. So 2 minus 1, what is the difference? 1, cancel. 3 minus 1, difference is 2, okay, possibility. 4 minus 6, difference is 2, correct. And 1 minus 2, difference is 1, wrong. Okay. Next one, go for this condition. Addition is 4. So 3 plus 1, addition is 4. 4 plus 6, addition is 10. So what is the answer children? 3 comma 1 is the answer. Isn't it children? So we can say the B option. So 3 comma 1 is the option. Actually we are going for answer to question children. Okay. So fine children, this is about the today's class. We are discussing about the what? A linear equation 2 variables. So we have discussed what is the introduction of linear equation 1 variable and its solution, and 2 variable and its solution. Clear children? So I hope the class will be clear children today. Okay.